So today we're going to go over one of the causes of an immediate two-flash code with a Mr. Heater Heatstar unit. Normal call for operation is going to be a steady flash, as you see right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take in, with our thermostat that we mounted here, we're going to do a call for heat. You'll hear the click. And then once you hear that small click, we get an immediate two-flash code, and our induction motor never comes on. One of the main reasons for this is either a bad gas valve, or in this situation, we took and removed one of the millivolt wires from here to create an open gas valve. Now, even when I put the wire back on here, it's going to remain in a two-flash code until I unpower the unit. So I'll turn the unit off, and we'll turn it back on. Here we're turning the unit off. We're allowing everything to reset. We're going to turn power back on to the unit. We'll come again. Now we can see we get immediate circulation. So when this circulation motor will not come on and you get an immediate two-flash code, chances are we've got an open circuit in this gas valve, or the gas valve itself is bad.